What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Bubbleville Bassin'. We're in Dragon Run. I'm with Country Hook TV right there in his green yak. We're gonna try to slay some bass. Guys, y'all see that snapper right there? Alright guys, so the water looks a little muddy. I'm not sure why. It might have been for some rain. But we're gonna find out and see if we can produce some fish today. Just had a little pickerel chasing my bait. Bass. Well, that was the first loss, and that was a nice one. Off this crawl, baby.
I got it on my video. I was just about to turn it off. I should have reset my line.
All right, guys. The first start of the day after losing a nice 3 or 4 pounder. Nice little largie.
You had your second day.
Okay guys, so I'm fishing this new crawl today. Y'all just saw me catch a fish on it. It's a green pumpkin bottom with a heavy purple flake on the bottom. Or actually the top. But I don't know what to call it yet. But I'm gonna come up with something, so. Alright guys, so I got one fish in the boat so far. And y'all seen me catch a fish here every time I go to this hole here. So, without me jinxing myself, what I'm gonna do is sling my new crawl. You know what? I'm gonna name this thing the Bubble Crawl. How's that? The Bubble Crawl. So I'm gonna name this thing. That was a zombie fish. Huh?
Did you have something?
Yeah. Caught a bass. He bit right at the boat.
I was about to say, any rod there.
Alright guys, what's going on? It's halftime here at the Slate Fest of Bass. I think I caught 4 or 5, I can't remember. No bowfin or pickerel yet. And me and Country Hooked are about to go to Hardee's for lunch.
Get some food. May not have caught many fish, but I'm about to catch a burger. For sure.
But yeah, we're about to catch some burgers, and we'll see y'all in the water. We're going to a different location. We are dragon hopping right now.
Dragon hopping.
Dragon hopping, dude. We're in the dragon. We're
gonna head to Churchview. That's more of a predatorial kind of fish. There's a lot of bowfin, there's a lot of pickerel. I don't think I've caught any bass there.
But hey Croxton, if you're watching, we're gonna be right next to your house.
Yeah.
I'll give you a shout out once we get right to your I guess it's like by your driveway or whatever. But all right, y'all, stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off by throwing the old chatter here. See what I can't pick up right here. The water actually looks really high in this part of the dragon. I'm pretty excited about.
Pretty excited.
It's pretty darn muddy though, I'll tell you. You know, I said it's muddy in the other video, and it really wasn't that muddy when you look at this. Oh, country hook over there throwing that swim jig with that little curlicue on it. Bubbaville baits, dude. Oh! And nothing happened. False alarm. See that gar, guys? Yeah.
Oh, it's sitting right there? Oh, it was 5 times the size of that thing. Oh, no! That place is crazy. Oh my goodness, they're that hard to get? Bro, watch out.
What's up, guys? This is Bubbaville Bassin, and
Country Hook TV.
we just got done fishing. It is rapidly getting dark as we speak.
Rapid fire.
Rapidly, like fast. Anyways, it's getting dark, and we're gonna do a little recap of what we did today. Okay, so we went to Dragon Run. It was extremely muddy, like chocolate milk. Straight up chocolate milk, dude. And we caught a bunch of bowfin, pickerel, and bass. I think he caught like 5 or 6 bowfin. I caught 5 or 6 bass. You know, it was. He easily had 10 pounds of bowfin on a stringer.
On a stringer. People do that.
And he pretty much caught everything off Bubbaville Custom Baits, which is my baits I designed. But we're going fishing tomorrow in the old crusty boat.
The crusty boat.
We haven't broke out the old crusty boat yet, so
yeah. She don't leak as bad as it used to. We used to have this pump. We had like a bilge system to shoot everything out.
But yeah, the old crusty boat will be in our juicy pond. Yeah, we'll be in the juicy pond, and we will see y'all tomorrow. Always keep fishing.